For the hot ice experiment, the following is needed: white spirit vinegar, sodium bicarbonate, weighing scale, measuring spoon and measuring cylinder, all for weighing purposes, a vessel that will act as a reactor, a spoon or a mixer to stir the solution and to ensure that the sodium bicarbonate is fully dissolved in the solution, a sealable container which will later contain sodium acetate, and this then will be placed in the refrigerator, a plate that will provide a base for crystallization to occur. For safety measures, lab coat, gloves, and safety glasses will be worn throughout the experiment. Let's move on to the reaction. For the first part of the reaction, with the help of a measuring cylinder, 500 ml of vinegar will be measured. Pay attention to the meniscus point, and then this will be poured into the vessel. To this, 4 tablespoons, 60 gram of sodium bicarbonate will be added and mixed. Ensure this is done slowly to prevent the solution from overflowing and resulting in any inaccuracies. The reaction between these compounds result in 2 reactions. In the first, carbonic acid and sodium acetate is formed, but immediately the second reaction occurs, and that is the decomposition reaction, where the carbonic acid decomposes into water and CO2, which one can observe from the bubbling and foam that is being created. Once the bubbling has stopped, we know that the reaction is completed, and what is remaining is a dilute sodium acetate solution. The solution will now be boiled on low heat for half an hour to an hour so that one can obtain a more concentrated sodium acetate solution, as this will help with the crystallization. Once you start observing crystals forming around the edge of the vessel or a crystalline skin forming on the surface of the solution, turn off the heat and transfer this to a container and seal it off and place it in the refrigerator for 30 to 45 minutes. This is a super cooled liquid. Using a weighing scale, weigh the plate and record the mass. Scrape the crystals on the edge of the vessel and place them on the plate. This will now act as a base for crystallization. Slowly pour the solution onto the plate, and now you can see the formation of the crystals. Measure the plate with the sodium acetate crystals, and the difference in mass will help determine the sodium acetate formed in the reaction.